Hey everyone, so today we're talking about the fact that mistakes happen. We all make them and we go back and we correct them afterward. And one thing I can say about mistakes is usually these lessons stick with you more than just success, success, success. So in the case of this one, yesterday I was setting up a video that's already gone up on YouTube and I did something really dumb. I did something really wrong. Right here off screen, you can't see it, my Yeti microphone's right here. And I can pull the Yeti microphone closer up to me and it's probably going to be louder. And maybe I can even get it to show up in the screen there. But I'm going to push the Yeti microphone back here where I usually have it again. So we normally have some room echo here. And that's normal. And I use an echo remover when I'm utilizing Final Cut Pro. But sometimes that echo remover is not up to it. So what you're seeing up in the screen corner is actually the web page from Adobe. Remove noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement. Now, I'd seen an email about this from Adobe a couple of weeks ago, and I hadn't tried it yet. Well, yesterday, I was so excited about the video that I was going to be doing that I didn't quite pay attention to my setup. My microphone wasn't in its normal place. The microphone was pushed way over to the other side to get it out of the way, to give myself some desk space. And I didn't even think about it. I started doing the recording for the YouTube video, and then I finished the recording and I played it back to myself, and it was terrible. I mean, horrifyingly terrible. And I didn't know what had happened. I said, what did I do? What did I break? And finally I looked over in this direction and I said, oh, there's a microphone over there. Yeah, that's a mistake. So after doing that, I still wanted to utilize the video that I created. The audio quality was absolutely terrible. And I tried running it through Adobe's new AI for improving the audio, and I was super duper surprised. So I just wanted to share this one with you, and I'm going to show you now. We're gonna make my giant mistake here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause this momentarily. I'm going to move the microphone over to where I had it the other day so that you can hear the difference and hear how bad that is. And then we're going to run that audio track through Adobe's AI audio here. All right. All right. So give me 1 sec and we're going to get this moved. All right, so now the audio should sound really kind of strange and wonky here. The microphone's way over there, and it's not even pointed at me or anything, and this is exactly the setup that I had yesterday when I screwed up this audio. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch and hear the difference in the audio. Can you hear that? So what we did is we took the audio track out of the video, and then we uploaded it over to Adobe's website really quick. And on Adobe's website, it did the improvements. We dragged and dropped the audio file and it did the improvements and got everything fixed back up again. So you can hear the difference between this and the other track. So happy accident, I'll say. I made a mistake. I still wanted to use the audio track, and Adobe's audio enhancer here is pretty darn amazing if you haven't checked it out. And you can actually go over to podcast.adobe.com/enhance and then the pound symbol if you'd like to check this out yourself. Right now, this is free to use. So I don't know how long that's going to be. But for the moment, I'm also an Adobe subscriber. So, if they come out and there's a payment way for this, most likely I'll be purchasing it because it does work so very well. All right, everyone, go make some mistakes, learn some things from those mistakes, and then improve on it. We'll see you again real soon.